In my previous video, I showed you how to connect and control another PC that was connected to the same Wi-Fi or local network. And after that, many of you commented and asked for a method. That works even when both computers are on completely different networks or different internet connections. So today, I'm going to show you how to remotely access another computer using AnyDesk. I'll explain how to install it, how to connect to another PC, how to give access permission, and also how to set up unattended access so you can connect directly without asking for permission every single time. So if you want to control another computer remotely from your laptop or PC from anywhere in the world, then this is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly methods available. Give this video a tight thumbs up and let's get started. Now first, let's install AnyDesk on both computers. Open your browser and search for AnyDesk. Then open the official website and download it. Once the download is complete, open the installer. You can either run it directly or install it permanently on your system. So click Install AnyDesk on this device. I recommend installing it because it unlocks all features like unattended access and password login. Now, close Welcome tab. Now, go to the PC you want to access and then download and install AnyDesk with same way. Now, AnyDesk is installed on our both computers, but normally when you want to access second PC, it always asks permission for that. But what if you want to connect to your computer anytime without someone clicking accept every time? For that, we use something called unattended access. This is very useful if you want to access your office or home PC remotely when nobody is sitting there. So on the computer you want to access remotely, click the menu icon in the top right corner and open Settings. Then go to Access. Then click on Unlock. Now click Set Password. In Permission Profile, choose Full Accesses. Now create a strong password. This password will be required whenever someone tries to connect directly to this computer. After entering the password, click Apply. Now unattended access is enabled. Let's test it. Go back to your second computer. Enter the AnyDesk address of the remote PC and click Connect. Instead of waiting for someone to click Accept, AnyDesk will ask for the password. Enter the password you created earlier. Check this box if you even not want to enter password next time, and click OK. And now you'll instantly connect to that computer without needing permission from the other side. This is perfect for accessing your own PC remotely anytime. AnyDesk also supports file transfer. Now you can send files between both computers just like copying files between folders. So, this is how you can access any computer from anywhere. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.